Hey guys, it's Raim from Killer Inc. And today I'm going to be taking a look at the Stigma-Rotary Hyper V3. The predecessor to Stigma's Hyper V4 is a reliable and flexible machine that has been one of the most well-loved rotaries on the market since its release. So let's take a closer look. The Stigma-Rotary Hyper V3 has a frame made from anodised aircraft aluminium and tops the scales at 115 grams. With its ergonomic design and well-balanced frame, along with a high-quality 4.5 watt Swiss-made motor within, this rotary offers an excellent overall performance. Compared to the first and second generation Hyper machines, Stigma improved the technology on the Hyper V3 to allow artists to set the machine up softer than ever before. You can quickly adjust the stroke length from a super hard 3.6 to a super soft 6mm within seconds, allowing you to easily set your Hyper V3 up for any style, whether it's lining, shading, or colour packing. Compatible with standard tattoo needles, the Stigma Hyper V3 features a precision adjustable needle stabilizer, which means no more elastic bands, as well as an improved tube-based locking system for grips. As you can see here, the Hyper V3 has both RCA and clipcord connections for maximum convenience. Make sure to run this tattoo machine with a high-end power supply and good quality cable to ensure a flawless, non-fluctuating rotary and a smoother experience overall. This machine also offers Polarity protection, so the machine will only run if your clipcord or RCA cord are connected in the right polarity. This will ensure your motor runs correctly to prolong its lifespan. You can run the Stigma Hyper V3 between 7 and 12 volts, and it will offer between 3,000 and 10,000 stitches per minute. The Hyper V3 comes with an instruction manual to help you set up your new machine and is offered with a 12-month warranty from Stigma-Rotary for your peace of mind. Designed and assembled in Europe, the Stigma-Rotary Hyper V3 is available in 4 colours: black, red, purple and nuclear green, and can be ordered from Killer Inc. via the link in the description below. We've also left a link in the description to the successor of the V3, the Stigma Hyper V4, if you'd like to check that out as well. So now that you've seen a Stigma-Rotary Hyper V3, what do you think? Will it be your next tattoo machine? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.